GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you will have some links so you can join free Telegram. Okay, and the first link below will be saying join Forex mentorship program. Okay, so if you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and I'm going to upload a video here as well. I'm waiting for some trades to play out. Once those trades are done, then I will go and upload that video here as well. Okay, so this is positional Forex trading mentorship program. It's the 90 days in the beginning, and then it can be renewed if you want to. Okay, now again, this is not for some people who call themselves traders and they don't have patience to wait even 24 hours for a trade to execute. So if you cannot even wait for 24 hours and you call yourself a trader, I beg your pardon, you are not a trader. Okay, you're a gambler. You're just trying your luck. But if you have patience, or rather you're willing to learn how positional traders work, what is their mindset, or how these institutions, banks or some serious investors. Let me tell you a story. Maybe this video will be longer, but you talk about those people who have billions or trillions of dollars. They invest money into one country's economy. So let's say they will invest their money in America for 6 months. So when they invested their money in America, they will leave it there for 6 months, and then they will take out that money with profits after 6 months. In that case, America's economy, or rather USD, will go into this downtrend. And if they invest that money into Europe, then euro will go up. Do you understand what I'm saying? So positional traders, these institutions, they play the long-term game. Okay, don't call yourself a trader if you want trades every day. If you trade on 15 minutes chart, if you trade on 1 hour chart, you're not a trader. I'm sorry. Okay, so coming back to this thing, and you can check more details on this page. Who is this for? I told you who is this not for. This is not for amateurs. Okay, you want trades every day, please don't watch my videos. And it's only for people who believe in high quality daily setups. You will get around 1, 2. I mean, I can give you trades after trade, but if you are into one trade, you don't need to take the other trade anyone. Okay, so anyways, if you want high quality setups which can give you easily, let's say 300 pips, you can see here, yeah, so more than 300 pips in just one trade. If you want that kind of what do you call stability or quality rather, and you have the this patience, discipline to wait, you might have to wait even for a month. Okay, if you don't have that kind of patience level, this is not for you. Bye bye. Coming back to this thing called analysis weekly. We are I guess below the EMA we went, and then rejection. So coming back to Delhi, in Delhi we are still below the EMI. 4 hour we are crossing below the EMI. I guess move is down. Okay, I will say look for shorts, but I will not tell you when to enter, when to exit, because I'm done. I used to give entries, enter here, exit here, and people are thankless watching my videos. They're thankless. They think they're over smart. Okay, good luck to you. Anyways, so if you are mature enough, mentally stable, and you are, or you want to behave, think like a positional trader, then go and check out the first link and join this program. It's not for kids. It's not for amateurs. It's not for people who are, just short-tempered. It's only for people who wants to act, think, and execute like institutions or positional big traders. Okay. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.